Alright, so this is a success. We're able to get all of the releases for today.
DJ Delz.
Alright, we're back in the house. You see what we got here? We got Bazooka Joe. Hold on, let me bring this down a little. There we go. We got Bazooka Joe. We got the Noid from Domino's Pizza. We got Golden Crisp, Sugar Bear, and we got Capt'N Crunch. I really can't believe I got all of them. I didn't go to Target till about, I would say 10:45. I wasn't even thinking about it. I have right now 102 fever, sick as a dog, and I was going because I needed to get some cough drops, and I thought no chance they still have it available, but they did have it available. They even had Pikachus still there. They had 2 Pikachus left, so you know, never say never. Try them. Try going to the store, even if it's not as soon as they open. Sometimes going as soon as they open isn't good too, because the people that are unloading in the morning, they haven't had the chance to actually go through it all. So, you know, definitely check your stores. There's a look at Bazooka Joe close up. Now, for people that are younger, they probably don't know what the hell Bazooka is. It's a chewing gum that had a little comic. I loved it as a kid. I used to always get it on the ice cream truck. It's so classic. It's something I grew up with. You know, that's what I like with Funko. I like collecting what I grew up with. That's what really is what I love about Funko. And this is another thing, the Noid. And I used to always see the commercials with the Noid and I thought it was the coolest thing. But they didn't have no Domino's near me where I grew up in New York. They didn't have Domino's where I was at. So I always thought it was cool, but never was able to really have Domino's. And I wanted it too, because I just thought it was super cool, like this character. And they were late to the party over in Yonkers with Domino's, and anywhere around there in Westchester. It was a long time before they actually got a Domino's in Westchester, New York. So, you know, I always thought the character was cool. Then we got the Sugar Bear, and love this one too, man. Ultimate throwbacks. Absolutely great. And this is my second cereal pop. First one I ever got was the Dig'em Frog, which you still can buy now, and I highly recommend it. It's an awesome pop. It's not limited, but who cares? It's still an awesome pop. Stop buying pops just because they're limited. You know, buy them because you like them. It's amazing how this pop thing has turned into a monster in the past year. It seems like it's a little ugly, man. It's getting real ugly out there. I talked about in yesterday's video where I reviewed this, I talked about this dude that almost cost me getting my Pikachu, the last one I needed, and the dude tried to stop me from getting it, saying they sold out. I was walking into the store. He goes, "Oh, turn around, there ain't nothing there." And he was acting mad weird. He goes, "Everyone bought them that's there. There was a lineup in the morning. It was all complete bullshit." Check out the video from yesterday. I get into a full story of it. It's ridiculous. Capt'N Crunch, this was my favorite out of the pack. One of my favorite cereals. I would say this is top 3 cereals of all times. I would say it's this right here, Capt'N Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch is up there, and maybe Fruit Loops. That would be my 3rd favorite. I'm a little on the fence with which one is my 3rd favorite. Let me know top 3 cereals in the comment box below. I'd love to know. But this is the one I wanted the most, and the box is a little damaged over here, but you know, I just really want this. I'd rather have it than not have it at all, and I bought it, you know, even though the box is damaged. I'd rather have it than not have it at all, as I was saying. Alright, here they all are out of the box. They look great. Really look great. The Noid looks fantastic out of the box. Because you know, the sticker was placed in a bad area on the front of the box with the Noid. Whenever I hear Noid, I think of Big Noid from Mobb Deep. The Sugar Bear. He's holding the cereal. Definitely looks like Honey Smacks. Let me know if you think looks like Honey Smacks. Let me know if you ever tried Honey Smacks and This cereal right here. I never tried it. I gotta try it though. Or they even make it anymore. I'm sure they do. And this is the one I wanted the most. Happy I got him. Paint ain't that great though on it, I would say. Look at the beard. Right, gloppy and patchy. Love the bowl of cereal with the spoon. Even on the eyebrows, the white, it's just not a good paint job. Hat. C. But, I mean, from a distance, it looks amazing. Captain Crunch. There's a side profile. The lineup. Gotta give you that out of the box review. I know a lot of heads don't like taking them out of the box. A lot of viewers too. But that's why I'm gonna do it for you. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe. Let's look at them from behind. Pretty awesome. I still can't believe I got all of them today. Really can't believe it. They look great. Pops look great out of the box, man. Part of me wants to take all of these out of the box. I'd love to just take them all out of the box. But figuring out how to display it all, that's something in the future. I gotta figure that out. How to do all that. I noticed too, like, look how the boxes are folded. Like, real sloppy, man. See that? Look at that, man. It's like rushed. You could tell that this was rushed in production. Which I'm sure that won't be the only thing I point out, but notice that with these boxes. Not even folded. It's literally not folded here. Like, not like fully folded. It's kind of rounded off. Because they rushing these people in the production area. This release today, I'm pretty sure, sold out in like 2 minutes. This one released a couple weeks ago, sold out in like 2 minutes. And that's it for today's video. Oh, an update on the Deadpool chicken. I called up Amazon. They said that they're gonna send me a new one. I could keep that one. I'm gonna try to clean off the little dirt that was on his leg. You gotta watch yesterday's video. I'm telling you, it was a really good video. It's filled with all types of craziness. A lot of things that sucked for me, but it's probably gonna be entertaining for you. And the story that I tell you guys about the Pikachu is just unbelievable. It's just so sad how people are nowadays with Funko now. It's like worse than sneakers. I've never seen anyone do the type of stuff that I see that goes down with the Funko stuff. It's really disgusting. But for every bad person out there, there's 2 fantastic people out there. So just because you catch one asshole, you know there's gonna be 2 people that are fantastic. So you always gotta keep that in mind. And as long as things make you happy, keep riding out. As long as it don't hurt no one. That's the way I look at it. But definitely sad to see how it's elevated this Funko thing. I mean, this Funko collecting thing. So many flippers now, so many resellers, so many people that just aren't into pop culture, but they want all of these just to resell, you know? Like, I love pop culture. I love all this shit. Let me know why you like Pops. Let me know why you like buying Funko Pop. Why you collect them. And if you resell, let me know. Do you buy it just strictly to resell? You know? Just curious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And also, I'd love for you guys to check out not only yesterday's video, but the video before that. I went to Wizard World Comic-Con. It was an awesome time. I was planning on not going. I watched someone that did a video on it, and the video was... I'm not trying to diss the dude, but the video made me not want to go because I thought it was going to be... because it looked kind of crappy in there. But he didn't video like all the celebrity guests that were there and all the cool things that were there. So I was really turned off on going. But my friend had a ticket. He was like, come on, just go. Go anyway, man. If you don't like it, you just leave. And I had such a great time. Met some awesome people. Interviewed some awesome people. So definitely check out that video too. I'll put pop-ups throughout the screen. Throughout the video, you've probably seen it. And I'm about to go and rest, man, because I'm sick as a dog. I've strapped And I went back to the doctor today because they're wondering what the hell's wrong with me, because my body's so achy I could barely walk. Like when I stand and I lift my legs up, the pain is crazy, and my arms too, like all my muscles, just mad pain. So went back to the doctor today and did a bunch of tests, but I'm waiting for the results. People have all types of guesses. Some people are saying it's meningitis. Who knows what the hell it is, man. But I wanted to do this video. I wanted to get this out of the way, and I'm about to go to bed right now and relax. So definitely, if you haven't hit that thumbs up, please do so. And let me know also, what is your favorite out of this pack right here? Which one was your favorite? If you want to, you know, rank them 1 through 4. Me personally, I would say definitely Capt'N Crunch. Definitely Capt'N Crunch. And I wanted the Bazooka one next, and then I wanted the Dominoes, and then I would say Sugar Bear last. The Sugar Bear is very awesome. It's just I don't have such a connection with this cereal. This is something I did not really eat as a kid, but the pop looks dope. And 4 came out today. I bought 3. I said, you know what? I'm going to buy the 4th one, man, because I don't want to kick myself in the ass later on not having this one. So I'm going to get it. And I'm going to try this cereal too, man. Maybe I'll do a review on this cereal, because I never tried it. How is this cereal? It looks a lot like Honey Smacks. Let me know in the comments if you've had both of the cereals. Is it like Honey Smacks? I'm curious to hear your opinions on that. But I'm out of here. Thanks for tuning in. Keep me in your prayers. Hopefully everything's okay with your boy Delz. And hopefully it's not no meningitis. I have a feeling maybe it's a combination of strep, which they said I already have on Monday. But I have a feeling it's like strep and the flu, like a combination of the two. But that's it for today's video. If you're just hanging out, please, for your own good, watch yesterday's video on the Chicken Deadpool, because halfway to the video, I tell you the whole detailed story about this Pikachu and this scumbag, scum of the earth dude that I ran into trying to stop me from buying a Funko Pop when he was walking out with the Funko Pop, and me asking him, oh, is that the Pikachu? How many they got left? You gotta watch the video. You'll like it. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. We out.